Hello, everyone. Let's describe and decorate my day and my creative daily journal. See, I added a charm, a key charm on the end of my ribbon. Really like working in these because it is great use up of art supplies and all the stash I have. So it rained for 2 days, and that my cat finally realized, oh, I could look out the window and watch the rain. So um uh this layout really resonated. And then having the lady with the brelly, and I'm talking right now, saying how when I went to college, there's this guy that I knew, British, and he always called his umbrella a brelly. And for years, long after, we went our separate ways, um, I still called my umbrella a brelly. And here I'm drawing a rainbow. Did I see a rainbow that day? No, but I'm going to eventually write in the rainbow, journal in the rainbow. I don't carry an umbrella. Do you carry an umbrella? I don't carry an umbrella. I usually have a windbreaker with me. So if it's going to rain, I'm either going to run to my car or, and I'm going to put my hood on. So I don't carry an umbrella anymore. I mean, and it could rain. It could be torrential rain in the summer, and I'll just run through it. I'll just drive off in a car or drive off wherever I'm at. I just don't carry an umbrella anymore. Now, I guess if I wore office clothes, office attire, then I would. But mostly my clothes are the kind that will just dry, and my hair, it'll just dry. So this layout is 2 pages of the significant rain to talk about how much it rained. And the thing about the guy who I was friends with, he was the janitor at a school. It was a church school, it was a private school. It was pricey, I had to work my way through college. And like I said, he was a janitor, and he will oftentimes say, "Yeah, my father just paid off my tuition. It was still the beginning of the school year, and he paid for my sister to go to Royal School, and he paid it off." So we had been friends for a month. And one day I looked at him after hearing him repeatedly say, how his father was able to pay off these tuitions right away of all his siblings. And I got a good look at him. I said, you know what? You're rich, aren't you? You're rich. Then I got a good look at his clothes that he always wore. Well made shoes and well made pants, like linen pants to clean bathrooms and things. And I marveled that came from a wealthy family, but he was really humble. His father made him, to have spending money, he had to get a job. So, and he didn't mind it. And that's why I was like, you really have to watch how you treat people because you really don't know who they are. It's a good lesson that his father gave him, to have a job. Because most of the kids that didn't have jobs, they just either flunked out or they just played too much in school. Thinking of college a lot now too, because I did a page about graduation. That'll come up later. That's all I have to say right now. I may just go ahead for the rest of it and play music. Very much for hanging out with me while we decorated and described and talked about my day, about how it rained and how much I really didn't get to how much I really do enjoy in the spring and summer. A good rain. I just like to sit on the porch and just watch it. It's just so soothing to hear the rain. Not the flooding rain, Don't flood don't flood. Just enough for a good cleansing rain, to bring that heat down and things like that. I do enjoy rain, and this was significant rain. That's why I put it in my book and wanted to discuss it. And then the cat sitting at the. When I found that picture, I said, "Oh, that is so so true and so cute." So anyway, like I say, I like to thank you again for watching, and I will talk to you later. I will play the music now. So bye.